Hey, welcome back. In this section, we're going to evaluate mathematical expressions entered by the user. We're going to write a class called Evaluator that takes a mathematical expression as input and gives us the result. But first, let's add the math expression dependency. Next, we define a class called Evaluator. This class contains a method called evaluateExpression that will handle evaluating mathematical expressions. Inside the evaluateExpression method, the first step is to replace any instances of x in the input expression with snall. This ensures that the expression can be correctly interpreted for multiplication. Then, we use the parser class from the library to parse the mathematical expression. Parsing converts the string expression into an object that the library can evaluate. In our implementation, you'll notice we use something called context model. But what exactly is this? Well, context model is part of the math expressions library, and it provides a way to define variables or constants that can be used in mathematical expressions. If the evaluation fails due to an invalid expression or other errors, we return error to let the user know something went wrong. Next, let's focus on the onButtonPressed function. This function is the heart of our user interaction. It determines what happens every time a button on the calculator is pressed. First, if the user presses the C button, we reset the calculator. The input field is set to 0, and the result field is cleared. This ensures the calculator starts fresh. If the equals button is pressed, the app evaluates the current expression using our evaluator class. If there's an error during evaluation, like an invalid input, it displays error. When a number or operator button is pressed, the app updates the input string by appending the button's value. Oh shit, I think there are some errors here. Let's fix them quick. Thank you for watching. Peace.